Hi, this video shows how to install Bootstrap on your application, in this case a Vue application. We see here Vue. First we have a look in our folder Nodes modules. So as you see, there is no Bootstrap here. There's Bootstrap icons, but the Bootstrap installation is missing. So we follow the simple steps which we find in the internet. That's npm install bootstrap version and --save. --save means it installs the dependency on the package.json. So we say this one, and in the version we say not 5, which is the current one. We say this is, let's say here, that's the, when you go to get Bootstrap, you will find it's currently the version 5.3 is the latest one. That's what you see here, current 0.3. Either we say it manually or not. So we go here to our terminal, new terminal, that's on the bottom, that's what you see there. Then you say bootstrap install npm, that's installer in Visual Studio. npm install bootstrap, and then the version is either you tell here latest or 5.3 and save. Let's say we install the version 5.3 and then we get with the option save. Let's see if it works. No matching version found, so we have to say it's not 5. Let's see, we take the latest one, which should also be 5. Okay. So wait. So it's always better to write the correct way. It's not lastest, it's the latest. Yeah. And now this works. And now when we have a look on our here on that folder node modules where the runtime versions of everything are, then we see here our Bootstrap now. And in Bootstrap we find in this where was it, in the dist folder, I'm not sure anymore. In the Java folder, when we're there, somewhere it's written here, it's version 5.23. So we are at the here we are in the version 5.23. That's okay for me. And that's how to install Bootstrap. Remember here this command npm install bootstrap latest and --save.